Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel, and today I'm showing you the Camaro Superstock drag car in Forza Horizon 5. Let's look in the interior. Can you even open the doors? Yeah, you can. Good. You know what? I'm just going to take it for a drive. 0 to 60 stock, because we're going to upgrade it. That was terrible. It just doesn't end. Like 5-10 minutes. Let's give it some more gears. Yeah, most gears would be useful. Let's see how many. Well, it's £2 more. Right, 262. That might do it. Let's see. 551. Mate, how fast could it actually go? 286. I put it there. Still 286. 5.1 like it was. 286. So the max speed on this thing is it's been capped to 286. I'm guessing. Yes! That still sticks there, right? And that means you'll get the fastest time possible. 11.6. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.